Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how you can write hidden messages. For this you'll need these erasable Pilot Frixion pens, some computer duster, and a heat gun. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to write our top secret message. And since we got multiple colors, we're going to try them all out and see which ones work the best. Okay, now we're going to take our heat gun, go over the message. You can see it disappears. And now we'll take our computer duster and spraying the can upside down so the liquid comes out. We're going to go over the message with it. Blow on it gently to make it evaporate, cooling down the ink. And as you can see, it's reappearing. And that's how you can make secret messages. Also, if you don't have computer duster, you can just stick the message in the freezer. Okay, thanks for watching. And remember, keep your... never mind.